welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change the video quality on a TikTok live. Now, before you do this, I guess it doesn't work for every TikTok live you see, but yeah, this is just how you can do it. So press the live button on the top left corner of your screen. And let's see if I can make this video quality HD. So press the share button over here and then, press it again. And then scroll to the left. And as you can see, this live has the video quality option. So you can click on it. It's this one over here, sorry. So you're just going to click on it. And then you can select the quality. There's 360. 540 and 720 and 180p, or you can even select the original video quality. But that is basically how you can do it. Some lives don't have the option. As you can see, this one doesn't, but that's how you can do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!